Best deals.
1. Corner shelf. The detachable inner section of bathroom corner shelf for wall, made of durable ABS, offers a water drainage design. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Toilet paper holder. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Shelves. Made from heavy-duty plastic that lasts and lasts. Easy installation, waterproof and high load-bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, the product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it, quick installation in a minute. No extra tool required for installation, it's durable and sturdy to hold the accessories in order. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Shelf. Caddy is made up of high-grade aluminum frame. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. The stand is strong enough to hold things neatly and give you a hassle-free experience. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Soap holder. Tray is made up of stainless steel and has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. The bottom hole design of this soap keeper organizer allows water to drain quickly and helps keep soap dry and clean. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Towel holder. Plastic towel hanger is widely used in bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, refrigerator and any smooth surface places. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal. Apply it and you're done in no time. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Toothbrush holder. Keep your washroom clean and tidy, space-saving design. Cups function as protection cup to anti-dust, simply take out for cleaning up. Made of quality ABS material, environmental friendly, no smell, suitable for 6 PET/ACENTISECOND toothbrushes. Drill-free, easily mounted to the wall with adhesive tape, its attractive design makes your bathroom look trendy and neat. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Caddy organizer. Easily organizes your toiletries like toothbrush, toothpaste, cream, hair oil, razor, comb, can easily be installed on any smooth and flat surface like tiles, glass, easy to clean so will be germ-free to keep your family healthy, can be used in bathroom and will store all the bathroom necessities including regular toothbrush, electric toothbrush, toothpaste, razors, makeup brushes. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Holder. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Hook. Rail bar comes with 6 sliding hooks and can be used for hanging spoon, towel, napkins, gloves, loofah, brush, keys in your kitchen, bathroom or bedroom closets and other places. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Broom holder. Stretchy design, holds items firmly, and easy release. Has the advantages of long service life. Easy to use, and saves space. Stick on various surface applicable such as tile, glass, metal, plastics and painted wood, fit for kitchen, shower, bathroom or anywhere you need. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mop holder. Magic Sticker self-adhesive strip that provides a load-bearing capacity of up to 5 kg. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your wall. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Spice shelf. Magnetic shelf is made of carbon steel. This shelf is durable and sturdy, it is capable of holding multiple items securely. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Shelf. Made with great quality GE steel and is rust resistant. The high quality magnet provides durability and makes the spice rack strong. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Towel rack. Aluminum folding towel rack with swivel towel rod as one-end solution to all kinds of bathroom hassles. Holder is rust-free, which enables it to stay in good condition for years. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Shelves. Made of premium grade stainless steel, waterproof, rust-proof, non-fading, scratch-resistant and durable. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Soap stands. Structure allows the soap to drain properly and is very easy to clean. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Corner shelf. Constructed of space aluminum, protecting against corrosion, suitable for the humid environment such as bathroom organizer and kitchen accessories items, self-adhesive is fixed with screws to increase stability and safety. Ensures durability and enhanced safety measures. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Shelf. Won't damage your wall by holding it securely in place with a strong, traceless adhesive, eliminating the need for drilling with tools. Each shower organizer can hold up to 22 pounds, it's rust resistant and durable. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Toothbrush holder. Additional provision has been provided to keep your other accessories like comb, razor, tongue cleaner, press and flat the magic sticker pad, squeeze the air out from middle to edge. Fit the corner rack on the hooks given on sticker and you are done. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Shelves. It's waterproof, rust-proof, non-fading, scratch-resistant and durable. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Shelves. Mounting this versatile bathroom shelf for wall is a breeze with the inclusion of super adhesive wall stickers, eliminating the need for drills or screws. This user-friendly feature of this bathroom organizer makes it an ideal choice for those who prefer a damage-free setup, catering to renters and homeowners alike. Engineered with a traceless adhesive, this wall-mounted shelf bathroom organizer without drill offers a robust structure capable of supporting up to 5 kg of weight. This bathroom accessories washroom organizer durable design ensures a long-lasting solution for storing heavy items, providing both strength and stability in everyday use. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Rack. Crafted for durability and lasting elegance, this rack promises a sleek addition to your space, providing a stylish mirror finish look with rust-proof and corrosion-resistant qualities. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Hand towel hanger. Made of high-quality 304 grade stainless steel, which is sturdy and durable. The napkin holder features a 7-layer nickel chrome coating. Product link is given in the 24th link. Thanks for watching.